Zaira to. Okay, okay. Sorry, again. There, Okay, dun tayo. Sige.
Wait, let's take it na lang from your part para may buwelo.
Oh, sige, para may buwelo.
1, 2, 3.
I couldn't compete. I seem just part of the street to be walked on by everyone. But then I found a very special loving you. It's
That's
a
better,
feeling
but-
that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. And I found a very special love in you. And it almost breaks me in two, squeezing me tighter. But I never gonna let go. But
You don't have to gaya her, You can do your own.
Oo.
Basta sabay yung, okay. Basta sabay kayo sabay kayo sa next line. Baka mawala. Okay. Sige, can you do that part lang? Yung sa duet lang nila.
Okay.
Direct.
I don't know. But I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. And I found a very special love in you. And it almost breaks me in two, squeezing me tighter. But
I like that placement.
never gonna let go.
Tandaan mo yung I'm mo. Gusto ko yun.
But
Sige lang, sige lang. Go.
Sige, okay lang.
But I never gonna let go.
You can even do a different tono. You can do a second voice, no? She can do, or a different,
Yeah, she can.
yung sarili
Something
mo.
lower.
Something na, sabayan mo yung original when you practice, yung voice, yung original na tono. Pero, you do your own melody kung gusto mo, para you have your own. Okay. My individual assessments. Zaira, I noticed, you really have the technique. Okay? You're starting, actually. Siyempre, hindi ka pa kasing polished nila, sabihin na natin Coach Shara or kahit sino sa amin na matagal na kumakanta. But you're beginning. Parang naalala ko sa'yo si Angeline Quinto nung nag-uumpisa. Ngayon, sobra na yung control niya sa boses niya. Ang galing na. Ito lang ang isipin mo. It's a very simple love song. The two of you, I want you to remember this. I'm doing Zaira first and I'll do you next. But for the two of you, I want you both. My expectation is for me and the listeners, the audience, and it can only happen if it comes from you. We all want to feel the song. We all want to feel the love, yung emotion sa kanta. So, baka mawala yon dahil sa technique mo. So, pag ginawa mo yung matataas na notes, huwag mawawala yung emosyon. Siya naman, very simple. Because she's coming on strong, it's a nice contrast that you're simpler. But if you're going to do your simple technique, which I love, by the way, kasi, kaya nga, di ba, umikot ako for you. I need lang volume from you.
Okay po.
I need your style. I love your style of singing. It's very unique. But I need louder because she's loud. And people will notice that. So, And of course, your notes. I understand, naghahanap ka pa ng ano ba yung gagawin mo kasi iba yung style ni Zaira dito kasi mas komplikado siya. No? Meron siya ng mga mala-Angeline niya. Ikaw, hindi kailangan ganun. Not every singer naman has to be a biritera. Okay? You know, not... Kung lahat ng singer sa mundo ay puro birit, pagod na tayong lahat. Wala na makikinig ng music, manonood na lang ako cartoons. Okay, so, hindi ba direct? Kaya, yun, I expect you to feel the song. Pagtataas boses mo, kaya sabi ko yung ending mong, but I'm never gonna let, yung second to the last, yung placement mo doon, mas komportable. Na feel ko, mas komportable ka. Wala yung narinig kong parang, ay, hirap siya doon sa ano. Alam ko, feeling niya, nangyayari sa akin minsan. Sa amin lahat. So, I just need your volume, a little more power. I don't mean shout. I mean just make it a bit louder because your voice is unique in that way. But you're going up against her. So, I need you to show the uniqueness. Hindi ibig sabihin less of a singer ka. You're unique nga eh. Ayokong mangibabaw yung birit lang. Gusto kong marinig yung eksaktong unique, pagka-unique ng boses mo na medyo mas malakas lang. Tapos, gumawa ka ng sarili mong style, lalo dun sa pag may duets na, pero magsabay kayo. Pero since I will allow it, kasi usually pag duet part, gusto ko, nagtitinginan kayo para sabay ang buka ng bibig kasi nakaka-off pag hindi sabay yung words, di ba? Pag duet. Pero since magkaiba yung style ninyo, I'll allow it na you can do another melody na hindi kasing taas niya, which is actually cute sometimes dahil naiiba. So, the band can help you there. Teacher Annie can help you there, are very dependable. Ang galing ni Coach Annie. So, you know, ni Teacher Annie. Direct Nico can help you there. Any problem na nafe-feel yung hirap kayo, lahat kayo, no? You come to me or Direct Nico or Teacher Annie. Okay, she's gonna be helping anybody that's there sa rehearsal. So we will have another rehearsal. Yun lang ang unang assessment ko sa inyo. But so far, very good. Just work on yung mga hindi mo muna kinakanta. Nag-iisip ka pa, ano kayong gagawin ko dito. Okay? Practice that. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
God
Keep
bless.
those. God bless. Thank
Thank you
you.
po.
Thank you.